Hello, welcome back again to another episode of SCADA123. Today we're going to be talking about a Python application for linear regression. Now, if you've ever basically taken a measure of, say, an electrical value, say for a pressure transducer, and you wanted to get an equation for what that meant for the tank level, well, this is what you want. Basically, you're going to read in X and Y's from a file. Your X is basically going to be, say, your voltage from a pressure transducer. Your Y, that's going to be your tank level or your output. So it's basically your inputs and your outputs. When you have those combined, you can then chug to get the linear equation y is equal to mx plus b. Once you have that, you can then basically back use that data then to then when you have the transducer value of say 5.235 volts, you can chug it in the equation and that will give you the tank level of say 50 gallons. Now, this is a fairly simple, straightforward program taking advantage of Python's Panda, MATLAB, and sklearn. Taking advantage of a lot of these Python add-ons really gives you lots of power, and that's one of the reasons why you should be using Python for a lot of this stuff. Now, there's a lot of proprietary software out there to do this along with additional things, but to basically give you some simple quick fixes for anything you're going to do in automation or as well type stuff you're going to want to do with say Six Sigma type analysis and values. This is going to give you some quick simple apps to get things done. Hope you enjoy this. This is pretty straightforward and short. I'll just run it for you so you can see. You're going to simply get an output of all the values you'll see here. This will show your x's and your y's. Then you'll basically chug through and show your r squared, which is how good it fits to the true equation from the data you have. And then it'll give you the equation y is equal to mx plus b, where this is your slope m and this is your intercept b. And it'll give you your predicted response of how close it is. Now, the MATLAB will give you a visual representation so you can see. And basically, just because I've created this data, it's kind of fake, but I gave a little offset so you can see that it doesn't fit exactly on the line, and it does a nice plot fitting in between. Hope this helps. Thanks a lot.